Most people think the inside of their windshield is dusty. It's not. It's greasy. That weird haze you keep seeing at night, the streaks that magically appear the second sunlight hits your glass, that annoying foggy film that never fully disappears no matter how much glass cleaner you spray? Yeah, that's not regular dirt. It's a nasty mix of grease, smoke particles, dashboard oils, fingerprints, moisture, and years of invisible buildup slowly cooking onto your windshield every single day. Today, on Check Engine Delight, I'm going to show you a ridiculously easy method that cleans the inside of your windshield in about 60 seconds with almost zero streaks and no expensive detailing products. Why traditional glass cleaner usually fails. Most glass cleaners are designed for basic fingerprints and light surface dirt, not the greasy film that builds up inside a car over months and years. That's why you spray half the bottle onto the windshield, wipe for several minutes, and somehow end up with even more streaks than when you started. The chemicals evaporate too quickly, the towels leave lint everywhere, and the grease simply smears across the glass instead of actually breaking down properly. And honestly, some of these cleaners smell strong enough to remove paint from a spaceship. You step back after cleaning, sunlight hits the windshield, and suddenly it looks like someone rubbed butter across the entire glass with a napkin. The real issue is that most people are trying to wipe away grease instead of dissolving it first. That's why professional detailers often use completely different products than regular glass sprays. They focus on breaking down oils before polishing the glass clean. And surprisingly, one of the best grease-cutting products for this job has probably been sitting in your kitchen this entire time. Dish soap. Specifically clear dish soap designed to break down grease fast. It sounds too simple to work, but once you understand why it works, the results make perfect sense immediately. The simple cleaning solution that changes everything. The secret cleaning solution is almost embarrassingly simple. You only need warm water, a small amount of dishwashing detergent, and optionally a little rubbing alcohol to supercharge the cleaning power. Start with about 6 ounces of warm water, not boiling hot. Just warm enough to help activate the soap properly. Then add roughly 1 teaspoon of clear dish soap. The reason dish soap works so well is because it's literally engineered to destroy grease. That's its entire purpose. It breaks down oils faster and more effectively than most standard glass cleaners ever could. If you want even better results, add 1 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol. Any concentration works. The alcohol helps dissolve stubborn grime while evaporating quickly, which reduces streaking during the final wipe down process. Once everything is mixed together, you now have a cleaning solution capable of cutting through years of invisible windshield haze in less than a minute. And the funny part is, this homemade mixture often outperforms products costing 10 times more. Somewhere a fancy glass cleaner company executive just felt a mysterious disturbance in the force after hearing this. The mistake that ruins most windshield cleaning. Here's the mistake almost everybody makes. They spray directly onto the windshield. That sounds harmless, until gravity gets involved. The liquid drips straight onto the dashboard, into vents, onto buttons, screens, leather, stitching, and electronics. Some cleaners even leave stains or discoloration behind over time. Suddenly you fix the windshield but created 3 new problems in the process. That's why professional detailers always protect the dashboard first. Grab a large towel, beach towel, or bath towel, and spread it across the dashboard underneath the windshield before cleaning anything. It takes 5 seconds but saves you from turning your interior into a chemistry experiment gone wrong. And trust me, nothing ruins your mood faster than finally cleaning your windshield perfectly, only to discover mysterious cleaner stains glowing on your dashboard like ancient symbols during sunset. The towel also absorbs excess liquid while making cleanup dramatically easier afterward. Tiny step, massive difference. The correct way to clean the windshield fast. Now that your cleaning solution is ready and the dashboard is protected, grab a clean microfiber towel or soft hand towel and soak part of it in the solution. Wring out any excess liquid because you want the towel damp, not dripping wet. Then start wiping the inside of the windshield from top to bottom using steady motions. Immediately you'll notice something different compared to normal glass cleaners. The towel glides smoothly across the glass instead of dragging harshly. That lubrication effect from the soap makes the entire process faster and easier on your hands and shoulders. If you've ever cleaned a windshield before, you already know how awkward and uncomfortable it normally feels trying to reach those corners near the dashboard. This method reduces that struggle dramatically. As you scrub, the soap begins dissolving grease, smoke residue, fingerprints, and oily buildup that ordinary cleaners usually leave behind. If your windshield is especially dirty, just repeat the wipe down one more time. But honestly, most windshields only need around 30 seconds of actual cleaning. You're not polishing diamonds here. You're just removing years of invisible grime that's been quietly sabotaging your visibility every single day. Why paper towels secretly make everything worse? One of the biggest mistakes people make while cleaning glass is using paper towels. It seems convenient, but paper towels leave behind tiny fibers and lint particles that ruin the final result. Instead of a crystal clear windshield, you end up with random streaks, fuzz, and smudges scattered everywhere. Then people blame the cleaner when the real issue was the towel the entire time. Microfiber towels work far better because they trap dirt properly instead of spreading it around. They also absorb leftover moisture more evenly, which prevents haze from forming after the glass dries. This becomes especially important during the final wipe down stage. Once you remove most of the soap using the dashboard towel, grab a second clean microfiber cloth and polish the windshield gently from side to side. At this point, the glass is already clean, so there's very little resistance while wiping. That's actually one of the biggest signs the method worked correctly. The towel almost glides effortlessly across the surface. No sticky feeling, no smearing, no endless scrubbing, like you're trying to erase permanent marker from a whiteboard using pure frustration and regret. The cleaner already dissolved the grime earlier, so now you're simply polishing the clean surface to perfection. Why windshield haze keeps coming back? Here's something most people never realize. The inside of your windshield is constantly exposed to contamination every time you drive. Dashboard plastics release oils and gases when heated by sunlight. Air vents circulate dust and moisture continuously. If someone smokes inside the car, the residue sticks aggressively to the glass. Even normal breathing contributes moisture and microscopic particles over time. That buildup slowly creates the hazy film you notice most at night or during sunrise, when headlights hit the windshield at an angle. And once grease builds up heavily enough, ordinary cleaners struggle to remove it completely. That's why many people clean the windshield repeatedly without ever achieving true clarity. They're only removing surface dirt while leaving the greasy foundation behind. Dish soap changes that because it attacks the oils directly instead of simply spreading them around. Combined with rubbing alcohol, the mixture cuts through buildup much more effectively than standard sprays designed mainly for household windows. Think about it like washing greasy dishes. You wouldn't use dry paper towels to clean an oily frying pan properly. You use soap because soap breaks down grease chemically. Your windshield works exactly the same way. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe to Check Engine Delight, and drop a comment below telling me the weirdest thing you've ever tried to clean your windshield with.